Hi guys, this is episode 5 of Variations, Heredity, and Cell Division. Today's topic is chromosomes, genes, and DNA. Chromosomes are inside the nucleus of every one of your body cells. They are the fine threads that carry bits of information about you and your characteristics. These bits of information are called genes. Chromosomes and genes are made of a chemical called DNA. Each of your genes controls one or more of your characteristics that you inherited from your parents. The chromosomes are the dark threads you can see inside the nucleus dot. The genes in a pair may carry the same message, but sometimes one of the genes carries a different message from the other. These are called gene alleles, different forms of the same gene. For example, a person has two alleles for hair color means one pair. One of the alleles says, have blonde hair, the other says, have black hair. These alleles are in competition with each other. The person with these alleles will have black hair because the gene for black hair is more powerful than the gene for blonde hair. The allele for black hair is dominant and produces the final hair color. The allele for blonde hair is whenever a dominant allele pairs up with a recessive allele, the dominant allele produces the final product. A person who has identical gene alleles for a characteristic is purebred or homozygous for that characteristic. On the other hand, a person with two different alleles, one dominant and one recessive, is hybrid or heterozygous for that characteristic. Chromosomes and genes are made of D.Na. Chromosomes and genes are made of DNA. DNA stands for deoxyribonucleic acid. Every chromosome contains one long DNA molecule. Genes are short lengths of DNA. There may be up to 4,000 genes on one chromosome. DNA is a sort of plan that determines how the body is made up, and every cell carries a copy of it. A DNA molecule is made of structures called nucleotides. A nucleotide is made up of a 5-carbon sugar called deoxyribose joined to a phosphate group and an organic base. There are 4 types of nucleotides, their differences depending on what organic base they have. The organic bases are adenine, thymine, cytosine, and guanine.